My name is Ren, and this is my son Spencer, who is in first grade, and this is Janet. Today we're going to teach you how to play Game Theory 1, 2, and 3. It's very similar to the Game Theory 1 and 2. So once you master this game, your next game to try is Game Theory 1, 2, and 3. So again, the object of the game is, instead of getting to the number 11, this game, we're going to try to get to the number of 21. And if you master 21, you also can get to the number of 31. So for the first round, we're going to play to the number of 21. This game would be appropriate for advanced kindergartners, first grade, and on up. There's 5 colors of decks, meaning you can play with 5 people, but today we're just going to play the 3 of us. So I'm going to remove these 2 colors since we're not using them. And in this deck, you've got cards numbered 1 and 2, just as before, but now we're adding the number 3. So it's a little more challenging because we're using 3 sets of numbers to get to 21, and there's a little bit more strategy involved. Okay, are you guys ready to show them how to play? All right, remember, the goal is to get to 21.
I'm second.
You can go second. Okay. You ready? All right. So I'm going to lay down 3. What's 3 plus 1?
4.
4.
And 4 plus 3 is
7.
7.
7. 7 plus 3 is
10.
10. What's 10 plus 3?
13.
13. Very good.
And 13 plus 3 is
16.
16.
Okay, so now is where the strategy comes in. We're to 16, so I can't win this hand, but I can kind of start to choose. If he has a lot of cards, I definitely want to make sure to lay down a low number so one of us wins. But if he has not very many cards and Janet had a lot of cards, you have to really strategize. Who do you want to take the hand once you get close? Especially if you know that you probably won't win. So we're at 16. So I'm going to lay down a 1. 17. So we're up to 18.
Uh-oh. 18 and 3 is
21.
Oh, so Janet won this hand. So that means Janet gets to keep all those cards, which means she has a lot more cards to play with in this game.
I only have 3 cards in that.
Oh, you do? So
I
she's
lost
got,
3 cards.
oh, that's okay. She's got a lot of cards to play with, and now we have a lot less options to play with. So that's part of the strategy of this game, is knowing that when you win, you have more options. When you lose, you have a lot less options. And again, the goal is to get to 21. Also, the point of the game is to win all of the cards. So as soon as one of us loses all of our cards, we are knocked out of the game. And then it's up to the other 2 people. You're going to win this time? Okay.
I'm going 3rd.
Oh, you're going 3rd this time. Okay. So the goal is to win all of the cards, and that's who the final winner is. So you want to knock each other out. Again, once you master 21, you can also play to 31 to make it more challenging. And this is a really great game because, again, you've got a little bit more strategy with 3 numbers, but it's totally age appropriate for younger kids who know basic math skills, and it really starts to teach them to think about numbers in a whole nother way. So this is the other really great thing about these cards is it's a little deck. So this is a game that we take to restaurants when we are waiting on our food. We take it in the car when we're going on a road trip or we go on vacation. So that's just an added bonus to this game. So we hope that you enjoy Game Theory 1, 2, and 3.